Everyone, this is a short and quick review of Bella Vita White Oud perfume. So the fragrance, I'll start with the fragrance. So the fragrance is a woody and musky kind of a fragrance. It is a very long lasting fragrance. So once you spray it, for like 3-4 sprays are enough. It will stay on your clothes forever until you wash them. It will probably stay on your clothes at least for 1 to 2 weeks. You'll be smelling this on your clothes. So performance is really excellent, and some of my friends told me that they could smell it from other room also. Like, I was inside the room and they were just passing by and they could smell it. So it's very the sillage, the projection, everything is just excellent. It's really long lasting. So the performance, I will give it a 10 out of 10. For the fragrance, I think I will give it a 9 out of 10. For me, the fragrance is very nice. I know some people don't like its fragrance, but I absolutely love that woody musky kind of a fragrance. It's not a very manly fragrance. Both men and women can wear it, and I think 9 out of 10 people around me have complimented me on this fragrance. Yes, there have been 1-2 friends, mostly male friends, who did not like this fragrance. I think they also did not like it because I sort of oversprayed it. That is also the reason they did not like it. But mostly, like 8 out of 10, I think, or 9 out of 10 people have actually complimented me on this fragrance. So I think this is a, like, in terms of fragrance, 8 out of 10. Basically, in terms of performance, I will give it a 10 out of 10. So overall rating will be, I think, 9. Average will be 9 out of 10. I think this is definitely worth your money. If you are looking for an affordable perfume, which is not necessarily a mass pleaser, but something that most people will like, then you can definitely go for this. And lastly, like, is it a blind buy? Can you blind buy this perfume without even smelling it? I think yes. I think 9 out of 10 people would like this. So yes, you can blind buy it. You don't have to, of course, go and sample it first, but if you do want to blind buy, you can definitely blind buy this, because I think most people will like the fragrance. I mean, one of my friend used to wear this, and a lot of people have complimented me on this fragrance. So yeah, a good, cheap, affordable perfume with good performance, and the fragrance note is like woody, musky, very long lasting. Both men and women can wear it. So will I repurchase this? I think I can repurchase it if I don't find any other